Okay, traders, I'm going to explain to you about the forex and getting paid the swap rate on, in other words, getting interest on your currency from a pair, let's say the Australian US dollar. Uh, let's say you short the US dollar and you long the Australian dollar. Therefore, you'd be getting paid an interest rate of about 4% on the Australian dollar, and you'd be paying on about 1% on the US dollar. So virtually on that swap, when it comes up to Wednesday, it virtually triples. So you get 12% or 11%. You're making about 3% on the downside. You lose, and then you make about 9% on the other side that you're making. So you're virtually making about 8% on when Wednesday comes around at 4 o'clock, and you get the interest rate from the Australian dollar. So that's a little bit about forex trading. If you're on the long position, if you're on the short position, then you're paying out not 8% on the Australian dollar, and you're only making about 3% on the Australian dollar on the US dollar. So you can see what if your trade is working out. So basically, you want to be doing long positions when you're getting paid the swap rate, the interest rate at the high level. So you want to be long. You want to be on a bullish side most of the time. So that means you're stochastic and your McWilliams should be on the downside at the bottom of the chart, and have about have a good time when there's fear in the market and people are stuffing their positions, and you want to be picking up positions when everybody's selling. So that's the best time to do it. And that's a little bit of what I can tell you about forex swaps. And I've employed it many times. I just haven't realized that I've been doing it. But it's come to bear that I've accumulated those interest positions on my forex swaps when I'm trading. So that's a little bit about that. And Sunday night I'm going to be coming out with my big charts prediction, so you can look at that for your stock portfolio at 9:30 to see if there is any opportunity in markets at 9:30 in the morning to be going for about 15 or 20 minutes before the markets reverse itself, and then you start to lose your money. So look at Hasbro, and like I said about Hasbro, remember I told you about Hasbro? Well, Hasbro has broken through, and it's at about $36 now. So I told you to buy it back, and you would have made a nice profit on that if you had a couple of 500 shares. Okay, happy trading, guys.